Hello guys, welcome back. So may nag-request po kanina sa atin, may nag-chat po. Paano daw ba i-convert ang numbers into words? Okay? So i-convert natin yung input numbers into words gamit ang Microsoft Excel. So definitely, isa sa pinakamagandang gawin po dyan ay gumawa ng what they call this one, a simple program for that. Okay, we're going to create a simple macro program here. So dito po, we're going to enter a number here. Because for example, going to enter a number 1,520 at 50 cents. Going to enter 1,442, 3,005. Okay, and we're going to insert also 7,500.20 and 1,500. Okay, we're going to convert that into words. Okay, para gawin po yan, so we need to do some codes. So, just press Alt F11. Okay, Alt F11 in your Microsoft Excel, and then the module will be open for your VBA code. Go to Insert tab, Insert menu, then click Module. Okay, we create a module here. Okay, we name this one as Convert Number. And then we do the codes here. If you want to, kung ayaw yung mag-codes, just message me. I'm going to send the codes. Okay, then please do like, comments, and what they call this one, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to need more additional topic or additional lesson or additional info, so just don't forget to support. Okay, I'm going to save each one. Okay, we create this one into peso. Okay, it's closed. And if we're going to type here equal to, just call the function convert number, and specify the address. It is located in A2. Just press enter. So that is 1,520 pesos and 50 cents. Okay, let's do once again equals convert number, and then that is located in A3. Enter. So that is 1,452 pesos. Okay, so just use the auto fill. Okay, ganyan lang po siya gawin kung paano po i-convert yung numbers, input numbers, into words in Microsoft Excel. It is just the same way how we're going to convert numbers into words using different kinds of programming language. So, and then don't forget, if you want to save, click File, Save As, and if you're going to save this one, okay, just make it sure you're going to save the file using the Excel Macron Evolved work. Okay, so just click Save. Yes. Okay, para po hindi po magkakaroon ng error once you're going to run your program. So that's it. Thank you for watching. God bless sa ating lahat.